Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an apple cider vinegar rinse using Bragg's apple cider vinegar. Mix half apple cider vinegar with water and spray it on our head. So I'm going to go ahead and pre-spray my hair. There we go. Oh, it stinks so bad. Okay, and then I'm going to start, work that in a little bit. My hair has been basically untouched for like a week because I've just been on vacation. I got lazy. I recommend you putting a towel over yourself while you're doing this. I have been doing the apple cider vinegar rinses for about 2 years now. Oh, maybe 3 or 4 actually. Wow, it's been a long time. Basically just putting this on my hair every 6 months for about 15 to 30 minutes and then washing it out. I'm not even actually gonna do all that because we're gonna do a trim today, so let's work better. Okay, so now that we have detangled and sprayed, we're just gonna spray a little bit more and work it into our roots. All right, so we're gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes, and we're going to wash our hair with our Mielle Organics strengthening shampoo, raspberry mint, and then I will trim my hair. After I trim my hair, I'm gonna style up, but that video will be the next video. So set your reminders, subscribe to my page, so you'll get an alert when those videos arrive.